Hello guys and welcome back to Mask TV. Thank you very much for joining us once again. If you've not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Now going straight into it, the self-proclaimed man of God who went viral in a video threatening the EC and the Akuffo Addo led government has been grabbed by the National Security, and guess what they found in his possession? A big quantity of marijuana, Indian hemp, or what we call weed. So the 56-year-old man of God had in his possession a big quantity of Indian hemp when he was arrested by the joint force made up of the CID and National Security in his residence near the Greda Estates on the Spintex Road in Accra today. Now, Kwabena Owusu Adjei, in a video that went viral, threatened the EC boss, the president, and the people from Kyebi in very complimentary terms. Now, speaking to a small group of congregants, Owusu Adjei said, "Today, as I hear the word blood flows, it is the blood of the Akyem Mafia that will flow," alluding to the June 4th revolution and the subsequent killing of high military command in the region, 1979 June 4th Uprising. He is currently being processed for court, and we are here following the news. If we get any update, we would forward to you guys. So please stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video.
Yeah, no. Hey, how come?
And we are live here, and we are happy. Let us please
No.
We have to know if they are really from the National Security.
We have to know. No. We have to know. We have to know.
Hey,
Bingo.
congratulations, Apostle. Wait.
Also for wishing with the massa.
I say,
Baba.
Soba.
That shall vouch me. Wishing with Nana. I told him is a
Because the way they do that is
But how do you have in here?
Certain bottom. Rob, why do you can bring a sheet or Rob? Brown will be a good. I'm